Soul Revolution, Unveiling the Evolution of Sneaker Culture in India. The sneaker culture in India has evolved significantly over the years, reflecting a blend of global trends and local influences. Here are some key insights into the history of sneaker culture in India. Early adoption: sneakers made their entry into India during the 1980s and 1990s, primarily through international brands like Nike, Adidas, and Reebok. They were initially associated with sports and fitness activities. Popularity surge: the late 1990s and early 2000s witnessed a surge in sneaker popularity, driven by the rise of hip-hop culture and streetwear fashion. Bollywood films and international music videos played a crucial role in popularizing sneakers among the youth. Limited editions and collaborations: sneaker enthusiasts in India started embracing limited edition releases and collaborations, often queuing up outside stores or participating in online raffles to acquire exclusive models. This trend gained momentum with the growth of social media platforms, where sneakerheads could showcase their collections and connect with like-minded individuals. Streetwear influence: sneakers became an integral part of Indian streetwear fashion. Influenced by global streetwear trends, young Indians began incorporating sneakers into their everyday outfits, even beyond the realm of sports and athletic activities. Rise of sneaker culture events: in recent years, India has witnessed an increase in sneaker-centric events, including sneaker conventions, exhibitions, and sneakerhead meetups. These events provide a platform for enthusiasts to showcase their collections, buy, sell, or trade sneakers, and engage in discussions about sneaker culture. Indigenous brands and collaborations: alongside international brands, Indian sneaker brands and collaborations have emerged, catering to the growing demand for unique and localized designs. These brands often draw inspiration from Indian culture, art, and heritage, adding a distinct touch to the sneaker landscape in the country. Influencer impact: social media influencers and content creators have played a significant role in shaping and promoting sneaker culture in India. Sneaker reviews, unboxing videos, styling tips, and collaborations with brands have helped fuel the enthusiasm and awareness surrounding sneakers. Overall, the sneaker culture in India has transformed from a niche interest to a mainstream phenomenon. Sneakers have become a fashion statement, a form of self-expression, and a symbol of personal style for many Indians, transcending their functional athletic origins. Thank you for watching.